All right, bring him in steady to the right docks. Good pace. Watch the crates on the left. Hold up there. Unloading team, get ready. Every day, tons of freshly harvested papayas arrive here from nearby orchards. Welcome inside a papaya juice factory, where fresh papayas begin their journey to become delicious bottled juice. Let's inspect these papayas for any defects.
Okay, I'll start on this side.
This one has a few spots. Set it aside.
Got it. This crate looks good overall.
Agreed. Let's keep this pace. Now the journey begins. As fresh papayas move through the factory to become bottled papaya juice. Before becoming papaya juice, every fruit must be thoroughly cleaned. Clean fruit ensures the papaya juice stays pure and safe.
This one looks perfectly ripe.
Good color. Checking the texture now.
This batch is looking very consistent.
Agreed. These are ready for juicing. Now the freshly washed papayas are ready for the next step, preparing the fruit to become smooth papaya juice. After washing, the papayas move to the preparation line where the fruit is peeled and readied for juice production. Only the sweet orange flesh of the papaya will be used to make smooth papaya juice. Peeling rate steady at 120.
Conveyor clear, no jams.
Good. Monitoring output quality.
All smooth here.
With the peel and seeds removed, the papaya flesh is now ready to become fresh juice. Okay, start the pour. Pouring now. Good, keep it steady, steady. Almost full. Perfect, next bin. The rich papaya pulp forms the base of the delicious papaya juice. With the fruit prepared, the papaya flesh now enters the extraction stage to become fresh papaya juice. Now the prepared papaya fruit is ready for the next transformation, turning fresh papaya flesh into delicious papaya juice. To achieve the perfect taste, the papaya juice must be carefully balanced. Now the freshly extracted papaya juice is ready for pasteurization before it can be bottled. Pressure is steady at 60 psi. How's the temperature?
Temperature is at 75 degrees, holding steady.
Good. Check the secondary gauge for consistency.
Confirmed, it's within range.
Pasteurization removes harmful microbes while preserving the natural flavor of papaya juice. Check complete, holding at 85 degrees. Confirmed, flow rate is stable. Good. Pressure is nominal.
Monitoring for particles, all clear.
Temperature holding at 4 degrees? Perfect. Yes, stable flow and pressure too. Excellent. Monitor for any shifts. Understood. All zones are green. Good. Let's check the next batch. After heating, the papaya juice must be cooled quickly before bottling. Now the perfectly prepared papaya juice is ready to be bottled. Team, check the alignment on these bottles.
The first batch looks good, no issues.
Good. Check the next set for fill levels. Fill levels are on target? All clear. Excellent. Proceed to the next station. Now the fresh papaya juice is ready to be bottled. With filling complete, the bottles move to labeling and final inspection. In the next stage, these bottles will be filled with fresh papaya juice and prepared for packaging. Every bottle passes strict quality checks before packaging. The finished bottles are carefully packed for distribution. These pallets protect the bottles during transportation. From fresh papayas to bottled juice, everything happens inside this incredible factory. From factory floor to delivery trucks, the journey is nearly complete.